Welcome back, counsel. So far, you have your mountain map, your strategic blueprint. You have your 250-word weapon, your opening statement to the court of academic opinion. Now, we enter the heart of the trial, the presentation of evidence. This is where most brilliant cases are lost, not because the evidence is weak, but because it is presented as a stack of documents instead of a story of proof. Your results section is not a lab notebook. It is not a data dump. It is the prosecution's brief. You are the lead attorney. Your thesis is your client. Every figure, every table, every statistic is a sworn witness you call to the stand. Your job is not to report. It is to argue, to construct an irrefutable logical narrative that leads the jury, your reviewer, to one inevitable verdict: guilty of being a groundbreaking discovery. Let's examine the two approaches. The defense, the chronological catalog. This author submits Exhibit A, the data from our first experiment, which was messy. Exhibit B, the data from our second try, which was better. Exhibit C, a cool side finding we didn't expect. The narrative is the story of their labor. The reviewer, the jury, is bored, confused, and asks, "What is your point?" The verdict is dismissal. The prosecution, the logical argument. This author structures their case. Your Honor, to prove our thesis that protein X causes aggression in species Y, we will present three pillars of evidence. First, we establish motive, a direct correlation. Second, we place the suspect at the scene, spatial and temporal co-localization. Third, we demonstrate that removing the suspect ends the crime, a causal intervention. Each result is a deliberate, powerful step in a directed argument. The reviewer is compelled. Here is how you build the prosecution's brief. You must move from data, what you saw; evidence, what it means; argument, why it proves your point. Step 1. Structure is strategy. Before you write a word, order your figures not by the date you made them, but by the logical flow of your argument. Each figure should be a claim. The caption is its sworn testimony. The text in the results section is your direct examination, linking one claim to the next. The classic powerful structure is correlation, necessity, sufficiency. First, show they are linked. Second, show one is needed for the other. Third, show that one is enough to cause the other. This is a logical crescendo no reviewer can easily ignore. Step 2. The topic sentence is your verbal gavel. Every paragraph in your results must begin with a declarative topic sentence that states the conclusion of the figure or experiment. You do not start with, "Figure 1 shows." You start with, "To determine if protein X is associated with aggressive behavior, we first measured its expression in dominant versus subordinate males. We found a strong, positive correlation, figure 1AB, suggesting a direct link." You lead with the finding, then present the data as proof. You are telling the story of your discovery, not the story of your process. Step 3. Be the guide, not the tourist. When you direct the reviewer to a figure, don't just say, "See figure 2." Tell them what to look for and why it matters. Critically, when we inhibited protein X, figure 2C, aggressive displays dropped by over 80%, p less than 0.1, establishing its necessity for the behavior. You are holding their hand through the evidence, highlighting the key exhibit, and stating its legal significance for your case. Step 4. Silence the defense in advance. A good prosecutor anticipates cross-examination. In your narrative, address potential alternative explanations. While correlation does not prove causation, the temporal data in figure 1D shows protein X expression peaks before aggression onset, strengthening a potential causal role. By acknowledging and dismantling counter-arguments within your results narrative, you build immense credibility and fortify your case. Your assignment for this week is forensic. Take your most important figure. Write a single paragraph for it using this formula. Topic sentence. The claim. We found that X causes Y. context and method, the witness. To test this, we did Z. Key result, the testimony. This revealed specific data point, as shown in panel A. Interpretive bridge, the significance. This finding is critical because it directly supports our thesis that this transforms a description into an argument. You have now mastered the map, the hook, and the argument. But a case can be logically sound and still be dismissed on a technicality. The rules of evidence must be followed to the letter.